Right, so our last day at looking at number 6 before we move on to the next number. So we'll have a quick recap of some of the things we've done, and then we're going to have a go at doing a number story for number 6. So let's have a quick start at seeing if you can beat me putting the numbers to 6 in order. So spread them out if you've got them. And when you're ready, unpause, because I'm going to say ready, steady, go. Right, can you beat me? Gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's see if you can do that. I bet I'll beat you that time. Alright. Next little thing, we'll have a quick recap on. If I roll the dice, see if you can shout the number out straight away. Can you recognise the number? 1. Should get that one. Oh, what's that one? Should you say 5? 4 on the outside, 1 in the middle. 4 and 1 is 5. What's that one? Yeah, 5 again. 1 again. What's that one? 4. Look, 2 and 2, 4. Do it one more time. Oh, it's 4 again. So you can have a go at rolling the dice, seeing which numbers you get. Okay, and then let's have a quick think about how to make the number 6. So here's number block number 6. Hello. If I put 3 next to number 6, how many more do I need? Which number goes with 3 to make 6? Can you think? Did you get it? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 blocks there. A 3 and a 3 make 6. 2 3s make 6. Or you could say double 3 because there's 2 of the same number. Okay, let's try another one. What if I put number 2 there? What do you need to go with number 6 to make 6? And number 2 to make 6? Have a think. And it is this one, look. Number 4. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 more blocks until you get to number 6. So that's something you could recap together, is how many different ways to make 6. And then what we're going to do is going to move on to doing a number story about number 6. So we're going to do some kind of maths like the Robins do, but using pictures to help us. I'm going to tell you this little story, and if you want to, you could draw the picture as well. So I'm going to say there are 2 trees in a field. So I'm going to draw the tree. Can you see that? That's one tree. But I said there were 2 trees, so I need another one. Okay, so can you see that? I've got 2 trees. And now, my number story is that on one of the trees, there were 3 apples. 1, 2, 3. And then on the other tree, there are also 3 apples. 1, 2, 3. My number story in question would be them. There were 2 trees in a field. There were 3 apples on one tree and 3 apples on the other tree. How many apples are there all together? Now to work it out, what would I have to do? I'd have to count the apples. So go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 apples all together. I'm going to write the number 6 in the middle here. Can you see that? There are 6 apples all together. I could write there were 3 here and 3 here, and I could put an add sign in the middle and put equals 6. All right. Right, this time I'm going to tell you a number story. I want to see if you can draw the story. So you might have to keep pausing it to catch up with different bits. So if you're ready and you've got a piece of paper, remember you can use that book I gave you to draw in as well. Right, here comes the number story. All right. At the table there were 2 plates. what you could draw there. There were 2 plates, and on one plate there was 4 marshmallows, and on the other plate there were 2 marshmallows. So can you draw that? So you've got 2 plates, one plate's got 4 marshmallows, and one's got 2 marshmallows. And then when you're ready, can you tell me how many there are all together? So while you're doing that, I'm going to draw mine as well. So there were 2 plates. One plate had 4 marshmallows. And one had 2 marshmallows. Might just write the number 4. And the number 2. And then I want to know how many marshmallows are there all together. I'm going to count them all. Now I cross them off so I know that I've already counted them, so I don't count them twice or miss them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 marshmallows, and I could do 4 plus 2 equals 6. Okay, so your challenge then for the rest of any time you want to do with maths is, can you think of different number stories that you could draw and tell to do with the number 6? And if you want to, you could always start with a number that's higher and see what happens when someone gets taken away. That could be an extra challenge. All right, see you, Puffins.